So this right here is my old ramp for my shed. You can see another piece right there. It was totally destroyed. I mean, look how bad it got. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what a friend of mine did. So another reason I wanted to get rid of that ramp is because look at this, right? It looks very ugly. I want to be able to have grass all across. So I'm going to be adding some seeds in this area, try to grow grass. But the new door ramp is going to be popping out. So let's go ahead and set up the camera so you can see it. Okay, here we go. This is a surprise for me as well. I don't know what it looks like, so let's see. Wow. Okay. Wow, this thing is a monster. So now let's see. Got a little hook here. Put that on. Wow. Guys, this thing is heavy. Holy crap. It's very heavy, but I think this thing's gonna be here forever. I mean, I could not see this getting destroyed at all. I do want to implement a little system so when I bring that down on the side, so I'm going to work on that. But overall, wow, I'm impressed. I think it's a little too strong, but guess what? He hooked me up. I'm very happy. I'm going to be calling him to say thank you. But this here is insane. Let me see if I can lift it up, put it back. Yeah, pretty heavy, man. So yeah, I definitely have to work a solution in case it falls, it will kill somebody. Yeah, that thing is so heavy. So I'm going to look into a solution for this. Okay, so I have tons of garage door parts here all over the place. And we're gonna try to invent a mechanism to pull this up. So continue with the work. In order to close the door properly, I have to cut this. This sticks out and it kind of hits there. So I got a little Dremel real quick. We already got most of it down, but it's almost done. Okay, I've completed. Look how it came out. Very, very nice. Should be able to close the door now without a problem. Look at that. Beautiful. Just picked this up from Home Depot. This is what we're going to use. We're hoping this was going to give us enough force. It's 110 pounds, but I got two of them, so I'm going to try to use both of them. Just got these from Home Depot so we can complete our installation. Okay, it's pretty dark, but I hope you can see what I did here, right? I used this and got two springs. I'm actually running all two. I got a few bolts here just to secure this, so as you can see. And I'm running a line inside of them. That way, if they ever come out, they don't fall or hit someone, you know what I mean? You gotta secure them. And then I got these two running the door. Look at that. Look, the door is actually hanging because this spring is creating a good support so far. Just gonna show you guys real quick, even though it's not done, but here we go, check it out. So I'm gonna grab the door. Look at that. So look at this door, literally just moving. See that? Look at that. See that? This thing is heavy as hell, right? But this spring system here, this spring system is freaking amazing. Amazing. The fact that I'm running two, it just kind of reduces the stress. So one is not working alone. So I'm about to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so last night I did a lot of work on this. As you can see, the door is dirty. My fingerprints. But right now we're gonna test it. So we're gonna open this up, unlock this side, and the door's open. Now we're gonna try to bring it down. Here we go. Look at this. See that? Look how smooth. Literally one finger. And this thing is so heavy, but because of this system here, look how smooth it is. Bring it all the way down. All the way down to the grass. See that? Amazing. But as you can see, it's still very powerful and it's pulling it up. So that means... So this is our current situation. I did loosen up the tension just a little bit because I wanted the door to kind of be flush to the grass. So that way the mower can come right in. So this is my best setting. But like I said, you can adjust it anytime you want. Right now I have one a little stronger than the other. So it's a little bit ahead. That way they're not bumping into each other, which is amazing. So as I close the door, you can see how they're running one after the other. Look at that, perfect. And at the same time, This door is perfect. It's ramp actually. So we're gonna go ahead and pull our mower in. All set. Very happy, very happy.